People who forget names are often misunderstood. Many think it means you don't care or you're not paying attention, but psychology says something very different. Forgetting names is not random, and it's not a weakness. In fact, it reveals how your brain actually works. Your brain prioritizes meaning over labels. Names are abstract symbols, not emotional or visual information. If your brain is wired for patterns, ideas, and emotions, names get pushed aside. That's why you remember faces, vibes, and conversations, but not names. This is common in highly imaginative and analytical people. Your attention goes to the big picture, not small details. Another reason is mental overload. When your brain is always thinking, planning, or analyzing, short-term memory suffers. Names live in short-term memory first. If your mind is busy, they never get stored properly. This doesn't mean low intelligence. Often it's the opposite. Studies link name forgetting to deep thinking and creativity. Your brain chooses depth over surface-level data. There's also emotional filtering. If you don't feel a strong emotional connection, the name won't stick. Your brain saves energy for what feels important. That's efficiency, not failure. Ironically, people who forget names often remember what truly matters: ideas, feelings, intentions, patterns. So if you forget names easily, don't label yourself as careless. Your brain just plays a different game, a deeper one. And that's not an accident.